Okay, everyone, as you can see here, we're back to the project here. This is Gerald with OBD. We're actually working on the side, and you see the guys, they're wrapping up the side, and we're going to do a walkthrough. I'm going to show you a couple of things while the guys are working on it. Then we're going to come back, and I'm going to show you what it looked like the next day after we actually finish the siding and the actual painting. So you see here the guy, the gentleman is working on the soffit and fascia there. He's finishing up a lot of the fascia, has most of the soffit done. And you can see where the house still needs to be painted. You can see the charred spots at the top, but they actually ended up pressure washing that and cleaning that, and then we painted. As you can see that right now there's a discoloration or different colors, which you can see the actual hardy plank siding is one color and the house is another. You see there's holes in the wall right there. That was where the old electric panel was and the wire was coming through there. We're going to seal that up. And there's another hole down there that we actually going to seal up. As you're going to see as we walk through, there's some work that needs to be done. But once we're finished, then you're going to be able to see exactly how much leeway and how much actual things we've actually accomplished over here. As you can see, you're looking down the soffit up there, up the back of the house. And there's a fence post there because there used to be a fence all the way around there. But as you can see, all of this is coming together. This is going to be hard to believe it's the same house. Hey, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And let me know what you think. And let me know what else you would like to see more of. But go back and look at some of the other videos so you can see how this property actually looked before we even got to this point. You can see the caulking right there where the gentleman did an excellent job of everyone. You make sure that the people who are doing your work, that they are doing a good job of caulking. It makes the job look so much better when it's finished. It's nothing like someone finishing a job and halfway finished the actual caulking, and then the paint job looks horrible. As you can see, the gentleman that was walking in, I try not to put people in my videos because I know a lot of people just don't want to be in videos, and I'm not going to just bogart people and walk right up on them with my camera in their face. You'll randomly see them here and there, but for the most part I try not to put them in the videos. You can see they're painting in here. Everything is coming together real good. You can see those old windows are still there, but this trim work, that's actually a closet there. I'm very happy with my subcontractor. He's really done an excellent job, and he took his time to make sure there's no shine spots on the wall whatsoever. And we're going to do another coat near the end. You can see the kitchen there. That's where the plumber, I mentioned before, where the plumber actually stubbed out and had to vent up through the top. And you can see where the drywall guy had to fix that. This is that room that has the door, that entrance there. You can see the painting and everything. The doors are up. The knockdown and ceiling's been painted. So we're at the stage now where we're just trying to get a lot of the small things out of the way, and then we're going to move on to other items like the cabinetry and all those different things, and the tile. You can see some doors that are still there that we're going to have to address later on. We're going to walk through. As you can see behind me, they painted the bricks, so it's looking pretty good. We're going to do a walkthrough and see and catch an update on what's going on inside the house. We also painted the exterior, so we're going to see what's going on now. Okay, so let's take a look. As you can see there, I apologize that it actually, the paint turned out to look really good. Turned out to look really good. This looked like a totally new house. All right. Really don't like this wall too much, but that wall is not part of the, not actually a part of this project. So remember all the issues? We're going to have to cover that hole down there. So, but looks like a totally different house, everyone. All right, let's go on the inside. All right, we're here on the inside. We bought the door rock for the showers, so we're gonna look and see. We're actually going to buy get the cabinet so we can get the cabinets put in. As you can see, it's a little dark in here, but we got door rock left over. I guess I'll have to take some of it back. Well, they got to do this. We got to do this room, so we got to make sure we're going to have enough. Let me see how many pieces left. They used more than what I anticipated on. So, but this is where we are. We're gonna get ready and have to have the actual installation guy come in and blow the insulation in here. And then we'll move on from there. Alrighty, but as you can see, everything is coming together, you all. House look completely different. Completely different. We are going to replace these windows. So, alright, you all stay in tune. It's Gerald with OPD. We'll get back to you. Alright? Y'all be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, ask me a question. Let me know what you think. If you would like to see something else, just let me know. And I'll get back with you all. You all be blessed. Take care.